So, students, human resource, natural resource, economic value, utility, these four factors are interconnected. How this is interconnected? Natural resource, those are utilized by human resource. After utilization, that means human resource, man is providing his energy, his skill, his potential, that is human resource, and by providing these factors, then resource comes. That means electricity, that is one of the major resources. Electricity, machineries, automobiles, medical gadgets or appliances, domestic gadgets, those are made by whom? By implementing human resource or by man itself. So now the third segment comes: natural resource, then human resource, then man-made resource. Third factor, third segment is man-made resource. In the beginning itself, I told you that there are actually generally two resources, but in your book in geography, that third segment has been mentioned. So don't mingle human resource with man-made resource. Human resource is different, man-made resource is different. Those resources, that means those machineries, automobiles, electrical appliances, medical appliances, gadgets, those are made by whom? Man. We have made it already or we are making it. We are producing those things out of the human resource. We are implementing the human resource. That is called man-made resource, and man-made resource, it takes time. Time factor is there. After some time, you cannot, that means install refrigerator or install all the tools immediately, or fix all the tools immediately to make a refrigerator. A technician takes lot of time for that. So it is a time factor. So that is why time factor is there. That is why it is called man-made resource. If we go according to the ascending order, man-made, human resource, natural resource. Descending order, natural resource, human resource, man-made resource. Is it clear to you guys? So now, natural resource as air, water, lake, minerals, those are the resources. So these resources, those are utilized by men, those are extracted by men, and after that we are utilizing it. So according to our need, utility, usability, we should not overuse this, we should not overutilize it, because those are the natural resources. So we have to be very careful and cautious for that. So students, once again I am telling you that natural resource, you can write, you note down in your copy. Natural resource, then dash, small hyphen. The resources, those are drawn from nature. Those are drawn from nature as air, water, lakes, rivers, soil, minerals, etc. You can say this is the definition of natural resource. But today you need not to write the definition of human resource or man-made resource. I have just explained, I have taught you